This video will show you how to change a cable on an HS series pump. Remove the bolts on the handle with a 10mm socket. Next, remove the handle and cable protector. Remove the bolts on the cable entrance with your 8mm socket. Carefully pull the cable entrance out to expose all the wires. Next, disconnect the bullet connectors, starting with the red and black, then the white wires, then the green wires. Clean the surface of the cable entrance. Now, grab your replacement cable and attach your bullet connectors. Attach the green to the green and yellow first, then the white wires, then the red and black wires. Carefully stuff the wires and gland back into the pump. Secure the cable entrance with the 8mm bolts. Next, attach the cable protector about 7 inches from the cable entrance. Place your handle on top of the pump, and then secure it with your 10mm bolts. Now, power up your pump to make sure it runs.